Hey guys, so Lit just sent me this new wireless solar power bank and I want to check it out. So we have this power button right here on the side of the device. We're going to click it once and immediately you can see it shows these 4 LED lights on the back. And this is just to show you how charged your solar power battery really is. You can see we have a lot of solar panels right here on the back of the device, and this actually only takes 60 minutes to charge the power bank completely. So I really like the way this device feels in my hand. As you can see, we have grips here on the side for better control, and this device is also shockproof and waterproof. So we have this rubber cover here right at the top, and once we peel it back, you can see the 3 USB ports used to charge 3 devices at the same time, and 2 out of 3 of these ports are fast chargers. So the best part about this device is that you can charge your phone completely wirelessly. So there is a light indicator right here at the top, and as soon as you put the phone on the charger, it turns green and lets you know it's charging. So right on the side here, we have this micro USB port, and as soon as you plug it in, it indicates that it's charging right on the back. Outdoors or working in the dark, you click this button twice and it turns on LED lights. The power bank has 20,000 mAh, which can fully charge your phone up to 8 times. It also has a convenient loop for carabiners on the go.
I'm sorry, I'm directing this with one hand. 0, -18. It says it goes down to extreme of -41 Celsius, which is 42 Fahrenheit, -42. And I think it's about accurate. It has been around -30 here. It's going to be -38, and I've been sleeping perfectly, toasty, feet and everything. The only problem, and it is a big problem, is this bag was not meant, I don't think so, for big expeditions like this. It can take the cold. You can see from my view outside here, it's quite cold, and it's been keeping me warm But to carry something of this size, if you've seen it, it doesn't come with a stuff sack. I had to buy a separate stuff sack, and it only gets it down to about 2/3 of the size it is in the regular. Sorry, it comes with the stuff sack. It doesn't come with the compression sack. So the compression sack that I got was 25 liter, and it just barely fits in there. So it's a great bag if you're going hiking and you have a lot of space, or you're going, I don't know, off-roading and you're going to stay off-road in a tent somewhere. But if you're going to go on an expedition, you're going to carry this on your back. It takes up a huge load in my backpack, and it's just, it's a great bag. It's missing that size portion of it. But I will say also, another small thing that I don't like, this is my roommate's, his North Face blue kazoo. It hasn't been keeping him warm enough, but it has something which I like, and that is that around the zipper area, you'll see it has this protection, I don't know what it's called, so that it doesn't get caught, the zipper doesn't get caught on the lining. On the North Face Illusion, it doesn't have that, as you can see here. It gets caught quite often. It's very easy to pull out of the zipper itself, but it can be annoying in the middle of the night when you get in your tent 2, 3 in the morning, and you've been out and you come back and you can't zip, and you have to play around with it, you have to turn on your torch. Anyhow, best of luck, happy shopping. It's a great bag if you have space for it. Other than that, try a lot of other North Face down bags. They're more expensive, but they do compress a lot more. That's my main grime with it, that it doesn't compress so easily. But wonderful bag if you have the space. Peace out.
Hey guys, it's Noah from Hanks, and I'm here with the Pendleton twin-sized camper blanket with the carrier, style number ZA160. As you can see, the carrier is both adjustable and removable for your convenience. The blanket is 66 by 84 inches and made with an 86% wool, 14% cotton blend. It comes in a multitude of colors. you.